This review is for Gidley Scissors, the ultimate kitchen multitaskers. The set comes with a sturdy pair of stainless steel utility shears that can cut through anything: chicken, thick cardboard, twine, you name it. It also has a spot to help crack nuts. I've been using them for meal prep and they make quick work of all sorts of ingredients. You can even use it as a bottle opener. But the real game changer is the dedicated seafood scissors. No more struggling to peel shrimp and getting messy hands. The unique design lets me peel and devein shrimp and other shellfish with minimal effort. I just love how easy they make preparing seafood for my family. Both pairs are made of quality stainless steel, so I know they'll hold up for years to come. And I really appreciate that they're top rack, dishwasher safe for super simple maintenance. For the usefulness, durability, and convenience, these scissors are an amazing value. I can't imagine my kitchen without them now. I'm giving the Gidley Scissors set 5 big stars. They take so much hassle out of meal prep. I highly recommend them to any home cook.